Hello and good morning. It is Monday, February 26th. I had a package come in over the weekend. It is a mail-in repair. I do not do many mail-in repairs. They are taken in on a case-by-case basis. Depends on if I have under 2 weeks worth of work in my schedule. If I've got over 2 weeks worth of work, I usually don't take them in. So I accepted this as a mail-in. So I'm going to open it up and do the inspection here. A lot of items I don't post because they don't opt in for videos. So we will see when we get this open whether it is opted in for video or not. If it is, I will post. If it's not, it just gets archived. So just to show you, I have not opened this up yet. Yeah, I stopped working on the weekends. I only work Monday through Friday and a couple hours a day. My repair queue is roughly about 10 to 14 days right now, and that's Monday through Friday days. So, okay, let me pull the paperwork out here. Yeah, we have a public video allowed? Yes. So this one I can do videos on. So I've done a few of these on the channel before. They are very difficult to solder to because they are a ceramic hybrid aluminum board. They take a lot of preheat. They have bonding wires that are very, very fragile inside. So they are not a joy to repair. You have to cut them open. I've kind of changed the method of cutting them open. I was just cutting them right around the top edge. It was just making it a little difficult to get in there with the soldering iron, so now I cut them down lower and pull the cap off that way. But these are Mitsubishi transmission control units. He didn't have to send the bracket. We'll take the bracket off and put those away. But I will get these packed up in anti-static bags. And get them in the order repair queue here. Okay, we'll get those in a bag and labeled. And I will email the client here with your repair order number. So you can track the repair online. I update it pretty regularly. So I will get this placed in the order queue. See, no liquid damage. They do not look liquid damaged. Definitely haven't been worked on before because they're still sealed. So we will get these in the order queue. Thank you very much for your business, and I'll possibly do some videos on this and update the progress on YouTube. Otherwise, you'll just type in your repair code. You'll receive that via email here in the next 24 hours. Have a good day.